What if I told you there is one free AI tool that can write your YouTube scripts, create business ideas, design logos, answer homework, generate content, and even help you make money, all in seconds? That tool is called ChatGPT. Most people think ChatGPT is just a chatbot, but in reality, it is one of the most powerful digital tools ever created. Today, I'm going to show you how beginners are using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence assistant that can read, write, think, and respond like a human. It has been trained on billions of words, which means it can answer questions, create content, and solve problems instantly. It's like having a smart digital brain working for you 24 hours a day. People used to need writers, designers, marketers, teachers. Now one tool can do all of that. ChatGPT, you can write faster, learn quicker, and create more content than ever before. That's why people who learn ChatGPT now will be ahead of everyone else. ChatGPT can write YouTube scripts, create TikTok captions, generate business ideas, write emails, do homework, summarize books, design AI images, and even help you make money online. It can do the work of multiple people inside one simple chat box. Using ChatGPT is simple. You type what you want, ChatGPT replies. But here is the secret. The better your instruction, the better the result. Instead of typing, write something about business, you should type, write a 60-second YouTube script about starting a business in 2026 in simple English.
A prompt is what you tell ChatGPT to do. Think of it as giving instructions to a smart assistant.
The clearer your instructions, the smarter ChatGPT becomes. People are using ChatGPT to run faceless YouTube channels, write blogs, create digital products, offer freelance services, and manage social media. ChatGPT does not replace you, it gives you superpowers. Students use ChatGPT to understand topics, summarize notes, and improve English. Yes, ChatGPT has a free version. You can start using it today without paying anything. Most people fail because they ask weak questions, don't experiment, and give up too early. ChatGPT rewards people who try and improve. AI is not here to replace humans. It is here to upgrade humans. Those who learn ChatGPT today will control the digital world tomorrow. If you want to grow faster, work smarter, and stay ahead in 2026, start using ChatGPT today. This is Kaycee Galaxy, your guide to the future of AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.